Hey guys, welcome to my office slash grow room. This is where I grow all my microgreens and plant starts, and where I pay my taxes and print stuff for the kids' school and everything else. So anyway, today I wanted to do something a little different rather than a how-to. I wanted to showcase a business on Gab. So the one business I've been following on Gab the longest, I think, is Full Armor Farms. So I placed an order for everything that I could buy off of his site that wasn't sold out. And I'm going to show some of the stuff I got, okay? I got freeze-dried fiddleheads. So he actually has a section on his website, and I will link his website below, where you can buy these, and the recipe for them looks awesome. So I think these are sold out now because I just went and checked, so I think I got the last ones. But they're kind of out of season at the moment, so I'm sure he'll probably have more soon. But we are also getting a freeze dryer, and I thought this was really cool because I would have never thought to freeze dry fiddlehead ferns. But we're gonna try them out, and maybe that'll be on another video, or maybe I'll post pictures on Gab or something like that. But got that. Next is birch syrup. Now, I don't know why in my head I was expecting this to taste like root beer, but it doesn't. It tastes and has the consistency of molasses, really close to molasses. Not quite, but very close. So I saw there was a barbecue recipe using this, so I'll definitely be trying that out, probably with some venison. And I think I'm going to try to make some gingerbread cookies or something else, something that I would normally use molasses in, but substitute this instead. But it's really good. Next up is their regular maple syrup from Maine. On their farm, they make it. I haven't opened it yet, but we have a sleepover with a bunch of my teenage nieces coming over this weekend, so we're planning on making French toast and using lots of this. And next up, I want to make sure I read the description right, is wood-fired Maine maple syrup aged in peach brandy American oak barrel. This one my husband was super excited about. So this is going to be just his and mine, and we'll try this on pancakes or something like that. But like I said, there are recipes on the Full Armor Farm website, and check them out. And if you guys get some of these products and you come up with new uses, send them over to Full Armor Farms so they can add them to their website. And finally, I got an autographed copy of Out of the Darkness. This is Ryan's book. My husband already started reading it. He's on chapter 3. And so I said he could read it first, and then I was going to read it. So I don't know what it's all about yet, but I'll let you know what he thinks and what I think. But I think you should go check it out. And I want to be doing more of these. I want to be doing more of these kind of featuring Gab businesses and local businesses, but I don't really know a lot of people that follow me locally. A couple come to mind, but I want to do more of this showing off the Gab parallel economy and buying from businesses on Gab and then doing videos or pictures or whatever of their products just to get more awareness out, because I mean, we're gonna be the only ones left if they roll out this CBDC and all of this junk, and if they keep pushing jabs and keep making pandemics and all of that. So I just realized I might have to edit that out if I post this on YouTube, but whatever, I'm not going to, I don't care. Anyway, if you guys have ideas, I have a couple more businesses in mind I'm going to be buying from soon, so stay tuned. I'm going to sprinkle some of these in with other tutorials and how-tos and all of that. But I have like 3 in mind that I think I'm going to do next. But if you have other ideas, post them in the comments below and tag them on Gab so other people can see them as well, and like repost those things so that more people are aware of alternative places that care about free speech to get their stuff from. All right? Thanks, guys. Talk to you later.